So let's start the unboxing of HP DI2001TX Core i5 10th generation processor based laptop. This is the adapter that comes with the laptop along with the power cable. It's a heavy duty adapter. Now let's open the packing. Build quality of the laptop is very good, and this laptop comes with an anti-glare screen. It comes with 2 GB NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, Core i5 10th generation processor, Microsoft Genuine Office Home and Student Edition along with Genuine Windows 10 operating system. It comes with piano finish, blackish metallic color. SD card reader, USB 3.1 DVD writer along with 2 USB 2.0, RJ45 jack, charging jack, the build quality is very good, and besides everything it's HP Trust. It's come with a numeric keypad. It's a separate numeric keypad. It's a chiclet keyboard. The touchpad sensitivity is very good. It's very nice. Now let's have a look of the complete laptop. It also comes with a Miracast compatible feature. It means you can use Miracast facility on your laptop. If you want to see more of these types of videos, tap on like and subscribe button given below. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time on my YouTube channel Sansoft Smart Shop. Thank you.